Adding a passcode is one of the easiest ways to secure your phone and the information on it. It's a bit like a key, so if someone doesn't know your password, they won't be able to unlock your phone. Let's look at how to set up a passcode to lock and unlock your phone. Start from the home screen, which is where you'll find the Settings app. Tap it to open up a menu of options. Scroll down until you see Face ID and passcode. If you have an older model iPhone, it might be called Touch ID and passcode. If you already have a passcode on your iPhone, the next few steps are similar to those for changing your passcode. Tap on Face ID and passcode and scroll down to turn passcode on and tap on it. You can explore a range of passcode types under passcode options, but for this demonstration, we're going to create a 6-digit code. Choose a 6-digit passcode that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. To create a strong passcode, use random numbers and try to avoid number patterns. For added security, keep a record of your passcode in a safe place. Using the keyboard, tap in a 6-digit passcode. If the iPhone says passcode is too weak, tap Change Passcode and try again. Remember, you should avoid number patterns. Enter your passcode again to verify it. Now, when you don't use your phone for a period of time, it will lock automatically and you'll need to enter your passcode to use it.